Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download all photos in Google Drive. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once it's open, look at the top right corner of the window and click on your profile icon. Next, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select the Google account that contains the photos you want to download. After that, click on the Apps icon, which looks like a grid of dots, also located at the top right corner of the page. In the menu that opens, click on Drive to access your Google Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, look to the left side of the screen and click on My Drive. This will show you all the files and folders stored in your drive. Here, you will find a list of folders and files. If you need to switch accounts to find a specific folder, click on the profile icon again. Select the other account and then click on My Drive once more. Once you're in the correct account, find the folder containing the pictures you want to download. After that, click on the folder to open it. Inside the folder, you will see all the pictures. To download the entire folder, go back to the main view of your drive. Now click on the folder to select it, and then look for the download icon, which resembles a downward arrow. Then click on this icon to start the download. As you can see, the download will begin. You can check the programs at the bottom of your browser window. Now once the download is complete, open your Internet Download Manager or IDM if you have it installed. Locate the downloaded folder or files in IDM. Finally, open the downloaded file and you will see that all your photos have been successfully downloaded to your computer. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.